Hello students, welcome to Saurabh's classes. Today we'll be solving the ISI Mmath question paper of year 2016. Today we'll be solving question number 15 from the paper. So let's begin. In question number 15, it has been asked to find out the number of positive integers n for which n square plus 96 is a perfect square. The options are 0, 1, 2 and 4. So we need to find out the number of positive integers n for which this expression n square plus 96 is a perfect square. So what we'll assume over here is that n square plus 96 is equal to the square of some number a. So the n square plus 96 is equal to a square. Say, okay, in that case we can write 96 is equal to a square minus n square, and a square minus n square we can write it as a plus n into a plus a minus n. Let me rub it out. A minus n. Okay, now we know that 96 is equal to 2 to the power 5, 32 into 3. Okay, 2 to the power 5 into 3. So basically if we try to find out, if we try to break down 96 into the product of two factors, it will come down to 1 into 96, then 2 into 48, then 3 into 32, then 4 into 24. Is it divisible by 6? Yes, it is divisible by 6 into 16. Okay, 6 into 16. Then I think there are no more factors. These are the 5 ways in which 96 can be broken down into two factors. So basically we have to check a plus n, a minus n for all of these structures. So if we take out 1,96, in that case we have to write a plus n. If we take a plus n as 96 and a minus n as 1, in that case we'll see that a will come down to 97 by 2, which cannot be possible since it is a fractional value. It is not possible. So 1 by 96 cannot be an option. Now if we take 2 by 48, in that case if we take a plus n is equal to 48 and a minus n is equal to 2, in that case we'll find out that a comma n will be equal to 25 and 23. Okay, so this is possible, this is very much possible. Now if we take 3 and 32, and if we take a plus n is equal to 32 and a minus n is equal to 3, if this is the thing that we are looking for over here, then we'll see that a is equal to 35 by 2, which is not possible again. So this is not possible. Now if we take 4 and 24, a plus n is equal to 24, a minus n is equal to 4. In that case a and n is equal to 14 and 10. Okay, 14 and 10. So this is very much possible. This is very much possible. And the last option is that 6 and 16. In that case a plus n is equal to 16 and a minus n is equal to 6. So this gives us that a and n will be 11 and 5. 11 and 5. I have forward one more option over here. 96 is also equal to 8 into 12. 8 into 12. Okay, this is what I forgot. Now if we check out for 8 and 12, this will come down to a plus n if we take as 12 and a minus n if we take as 8. Then a and n will take the values 10 and 2. So basically we can say that there are 4 options available. This is one option, this is one option, this is one option, and this is one option, for which n square plus 96 is a perfect square. So in that cases we will find out that n will take the value 23 from here, 10 from here, 5 from here, and 2 from here. So this is the set of values of n. As you can see that n takes 4 values of n. So the answer is option D, 4. So today we have solved question number 15 from the ISI Mmath question paper of year 2016. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.